Hi, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious okra stew. Chicken okra stew. It's very simple to make, and let me take you through the process step by step. So we want to start off by seasoning and then steaming our chicken. So we went ahead to add some ginger, garlic and onions which were blended, and then some salt, chicken seasoning, and we added water. We want to mix these and then we ensure that we taste it to make sure everything is well coated with the seasoning. Now let's just cover this and allow it to cook until it becomes soft and tender. While we are at it, we'll go ahead to start prepping for our okra. Into your pot on fire, we are going to go in with our okra which we have chopped. If you grate yours, make sure you do that. We add some water to this, and we are going to add some saltpeter to this as well. You can use baking soda if you have that available. Make sure to always wash your chicken and your vegetables you'll be using for this recipe. The okra has been washed and also cleaned and cut into these sizes as you see right here. So what we will do is to allow this to cook until it becomes soft. Now let's go ahead and check on our chicken once again, and you can see that it's doing so well. Just stir again, so you flip it over for the other sides to also cook as well. At this stage, you can taste and adjust your salt or seasoning if they are not enough for you here. Now let's go back to check on our okra while we cover the chicken to do its own thing. So here you can see that the okra is just looking good, and then yes, you can see this is exactly what we want to achieve here. You want it to look like this. Now the okra is ready. It's ready. If you want it this way, then that's okay, it's ready. So we want to set this aside, and then we go ahead to check on our chicken once again. By now we expect that our chicken should be done, so you should get something just like this. It should be soft and tender. This is stew, it's not soup, so you make sure that you steam your chicken very well until it becomes soft. To make our stew, we want to go in with some palm oil and add enough. Go in with some fermented fish, just as you see. You can't make your okra stew without fermented fish. You can only avoid it if you don't like it in your stew or you react to it. That's fine. Now go in with some sliced onions or chopped onions, just like this. Stir and allow this to fry for a few minutes, and then you go in with your blended tomato, pepper, onions and garlic. Make sure the tomato is not too much. If it's too much, your okra would lose elasticity. Okay, it will lose that. So just fry this also for a few minutes, and you know that everything is already done. So just add your chicken like this so that the juice will just go into your stew. And we are not just adding the chicken, we are adding the chicken together with its stock. If you are using beef, make sure you add the beef together with its stock. That way everything just come out so good, and it elevates the taste of your stew. You don't have to add too much seasoning to do this because your chicken already has some seasonings. So you cover this and allow everything to marry well, and after you stir for a few minutes, make sure you taste to adjust your salt. One thing you should note is that you do not want to add your salt before adding your chicken together with the stock. Like I said earlier, the chicken already has some amount of salt in it. So let's just add the chicken, and then afterwards we adjust the salt. Now introduce your okra. After everything is set and ready, add your okra, stir and make sure that it mixes very well with the oil and you have everything in the right proportion. Where it seems to be a bit pale and you feel you need extra oil, go ahead and introduce some more palm oil to this. And of course, we have to change our pot because the other one was too big for the stew. Please, if you've come this far with me, kindly take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell notification icon if you haven't done that yet. Also, make sure you share your thoughts in the comment section. And now Allow your okra stew to simmer for a few minutes and it should be ready. Do not cover it while you allow it to simmer, else it will lose its elasticity. And now our okra stew is just ready to be enjoyed with your okra and any other meal you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.